Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Just last week, I had a conversation with a client, and the client was explaining to me what they wanted to do in terms of an estate plan and the type of things that they wanted to pass on to their children. And I mentioned to the client that they might want an ethical will, in addition to either a last will and testament and or a trust. So based on the content that I was receiving from the client, my suggestion was to do an ethical will. And the ethical will is, traditionally it had been a letter from a father to a son, giving story, information, wisdom, passing on really sound information and advice in the form of a 1 to several page letter. And, based on what I was hearing the client say, that's what my prescription was. And the client said, no, I don't want to write a letter. I'd rather it be in the will. And quite a little bit of a back and forth. And so I just wanted to share that sometimes a person wants to give direction, their information, the life lessons that they learned, but it may not best be placed into a will. It should be an ancillary document, something separate and apart, which could form the basis of, a several page document that could be passed on. So I'm going to go a little more in depth into the ethical will and, what can be included in there. And I'll do it over a series of posts. This way I could dig in a little deeper. But the process that I engage in with the client is listening to what they want, and then going about, making it is called estate planning, right? But making a plan, giving my thoughts, my feedback, my experience, my understanding, and effectuating the plan that best fits the needs and desires